Hey starters, so every month I make an income report video just like this one to let you know how I'm progressing towards my goal of making $100,000 in 12 months. And after 6 months of making around $3,000 to $3,500 every month, I'm definitely below my target at this point in time. But even with that being the case, I still want to share with you what is working for me today. Because if you don't know the current information of what works in 2019, then you're going to be following outdated, irrelevant information and basically wasting your time. And YouTube is the online platform that is working best for me today. So this video is hopefully going to be inspirational and also going to be practical, giving you practical tips that you need to follow to get to the $3,500 a month like I'm making through YouTube. I feel like we don't talk about money enough in our culture, and that's how some people get left behind. And it's only through sharing information like this that everyone is going to be raised up. So this video is going to look at the 2 income streams that I'm making the most money on YouTube with right now. And I've recently scaled back to just those 2 because beforehand I was pursuing lots of different ways of making money online, and they just weren't making me as much as the 2 we're going to look at today. And with my studying for a business degree outside of YouTube, I need to be making sure that I'm using my time to my maximum effectiveness. And that's why I got rid of all those extra things that were taking up so much time but not giving me much results. And I'm just focusing on these 2 income streams that make the most money through YouTube. And the money that I'm making that came to me through these 2 income sources on YouTube actually built up fairly easily, just through talking about a passion I've had and connecting with people through YouTube. So if you'd like to be making $3,500 every month pretty easily, make sure to give this video a like before we carry on. So it's easy to create these income sources if you know the right fundamentals to building a money-making channel, and that's what we're going to teach you right now. The first income source we're going to talk about that makes me part of that $3,500 a month is my YouTube ad revenue. So the money I get from the ads that show on videos just like this. Now the other income source makes me more money than YouTube ads, and we're going to talk about that in the future, but we're going to start with YouTube ads because that was the easiest thing for me to build up. So this YouTube channel started as a passion project, a hobby of mine, where I could document a new chapter of my life where I was trying to become more entrepreneurial, more independent. And by making a video a week on YouTube, it was basically motivating me to keep going, to keep pursuing this new type of lifestyle. And it was holding myself accountable. If I was putting videos out there for people to see, saying that I was going to achieve certain things, it made me more motivated to achieve that because I didn't want people to see me fail or to see me cop out on my promises. And week after week, this channel just seemed to naturally grow and grow and grow purely through me sharing my experiences and sharing the information that I learned. And if we look at the lifetime ad revenue that this channel generated, you can see it started really slow, 50 cents a day, 70 cents a day. But then one day back in March this year, I made $75.78 in a single day. So that was just after 2 years of growing this YouTube channel. But that $75 in a single day has really opened my eyes up to the potential of YouTube and earning money through YouTube ads. And even though the money that I'm making through ads has always been the smaller source of income of the 2 that I'm talking about today, it's actually starting to grow at a rate where it's catching up and may overtake my other income sources. And for the total money that I was paid in July 2019, we need to jump back to June 2019 as YouTube pays you for the previous month's earnings. And looking at June 2019's earnings, now you can see that they estimated that I made around $1,532 through YouTube ads in June, which I would have been paid in July. Now I can actually confirm that that was actually $1,559, so YouTube actually underestimated that a little bit. So it's $1,559 in total that I received in July from my earnings through YouTube ads. So the fact that I'm making this much money just from putting ads on my videos now feels amazing. And there's so much benefit from making a YouTube channel. First off, there's hardly any costs or any overheads. For the first 2.5 years, really, it was just me speaking into my camera, which I already had before I started this channel. And if you don't have a camera yourself, you can buy one from like $100, $200. But that small investment and then being able to grow that into $1,500 a month It's a no-brainer. Now, not everyone will be making $1,559 a month from their YouTube channel that has 24,000 subscribers like mine do. There's a lot of factors that come into play that determine how much money you're going to make with your channel. So, for instance, what country your audience lives in, or the topic that your YouTube channel is focused on. Now, I've made a previous video discussing a multitude of factors that can sort of influence how much money your YouTube channel will make. If you want to watch that video, click on the link below in the description so you can go and learn exactly what you can do to make a channel that's going to earn potentially as much money as possible through ads. I'll put a link to that previous video below for you. But really, you've just got to start your YouTube channel to find out what's possible. And I know it can be super intimidating to get in front of a camera for the first time and start talking to a camera and potentially be seen by thousands of people, but it does get easier. It was quite a big step for me when I started, but over a while and over time, you just get more used to it, more natural, and it becomes an easier and easier income source. So we can see from my lifetime earnings that I've made around $23,000 in total from ad revenue on YouTube, and that's $1,500 a month now for me, just by making one video a week. So if you'd like to make $1,500 just from making one video a week, make sure to give this video a like. And if you have any questions, whether they're technical questions about setting up a camera or making a YouTube channel, or just general theory questions about making a YouTube channel, you can let me know those questions in the comments below and I'll answer them to my best of my ability. Okay, so now on to the second YouTube income source that, combined with the YouTube ad revenue, makes me that $3,500 per month. So I started experimenting with different income options on this channel a bit further in to varying levels of success. And I'll talk about those less successful experiments a bit later in the video. But the most successful additional YouTube income source that made me the most money is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you mention products in your videos and you link from your video to the product's purchase page, whether it's a product on Amazon, eBay, or any website out there that has an affiliate marketing program. You can link people through to a product, and then when people buy that product through your link, you earn a commission through that sale. And this sort of just organically came into my YouTube channel naturally. As I was talking on this channel about the different products I was using, I started to put affiliate links in the description of my videos to those products. So people who are watching my videos that also wanted to try those products out could go and buy that product. And then when they went ahead and bought that, I was making a commission from that sale. And this has become so successful for me that I've scaled out to my website. So I have affiliate marketing links in my blog posts. I sometimes do it in my email newsletter when I'm talking about really useful, beneficial products over email. So this can grow outside of YouTube, but it's a really great income source. It's easy to set up on your YouTube channel too. And I know there's going to be people out there that don't like to sell things to people. They maybe see being salesy as a bad thing, is a bit too pushy or cheesy. But the way I see it is, if you are using products yourself and you're getting huge benefit from something and you think it can really help other people out, then you kind of have to share that with your audience because it's giving you an advantage and it's helping you achieve what you're trying to achieve. There's nothing wrong with sharing those products to your audience to help them progress in their journeys. And if it benefits you as well, it's a win-win situation. So I really don't see sales as a negative thing. It's like the oldest profession in human history, and it can really be a positive thing if you're only discussing and promoting things that are really going to benefit your audience. So most of my affiliate marketing revenue comes from an online tool called Shopify that I was using for a long time in the early days of this channel. So I've made videos for about a year and a half, all mentioning Shopify in some way or another and including my Shopify affiliate link in there. And I earn probably around $1,000 purely from Shopify affiliate revenue every month. But I've also experimented with promoting other products such as web hosting products, email providers. I've even spoken about a food delivery company. That's all made me affiliate revenue through YouTube. And the top strategy with affiliate links in YouTube videos is to put those links into evergreen videos. So what's an evergreen video? Just like an evergreen tree lives for a long amount of time, an evergreen video is going to be relevant for a long amount of time. So someone might be searching for and watch that video now, but they're also likely to find people searching for it and watching it in 2 years' time or 5 years' time. It's something that people are always going to be interested in. If you can find that golden nugget of a video that's going to be watched for years to come, and you can put affiliate links in that video, you're going to be making residual income for a long time. So have you got any ideas of products you'd promote when you started your YouTube channel? Or if you've already got one and you're promoting something that's going wow, let me know any ideas in the comment section, because it's going to help me and it's going to help other people in this community moving forward in their journey. So those are the 2 easy YouTube income sources that I make $3,500 a month through combining them together. So we've got YouTube ad revenue and we've got YouTube affiliate marketing. Now there are tons of other ways to make income sources through YouTube. I've experimented in the past by selling t-shirts through here, selling information products, selling my consulting services. Now I've scaled down to 2 now, but in the future I plan on experimenting with additional things like setting up online stores, doing things like real estate, investments, giving advice on those topics through this channel, but also making money through those topics as well. So if any of those resonate with you, make sure to like this video. That's the last time I'm going to ask you, because it really helps me get noticed on platform and it helps this channel grow. And when I do start to talk about those topics, it's only going to help me get more attention so I can help more people. And those income sources are built up super easily through simply making 1 video a week, speaking about my passion and connecting with others through the platform. But there are other things I've tried and failed with. And part of the reason that's happened is I followed different gurus and information providers on YouTube that had provided that old, outdated information, and I've just basically wasted time trying things that don't work anymore. So having failed more than I've succeeded and got to a point now where I've found things that do work, I've learned a lot along the way. So having learned all these lessons, I've actually started to make my own online course that's going to teach people how to make a profitable YouTube channel. And that's from day one, how to make the right decisions from the start, whether it's what topic to choose to talk about or how to do things technically, how to set things up the right way in order to make a YouTube channel that you can plug in multiple income sources and make money with YouTube. Because there's ways of making money with YouTube that if you're not doing them from day one, you're leaving cash on the table rather than putting it into your bank account. So having spotted this problem with overpriced and outdated information that other people are offering on the internet, I have decided to make a course that's going to be cheaper than everyone else out there, and also it's going to use relevant 2019 up-to-date information that's going to give you the highest chance of making a successful, profitable YouTube channel. And with the course being cheaper than those overpriced alternatives out there, and with it basically being free to set up a YouTube channel and getting started, I'm hoping my course is going to provide useful money-making information to as many people as possible. As the costs are low to get started with this, there should be really little barrier for entry, no matter what your circumstances are. Now, if you want to join the mailing list to be one of the first people to hear about my course when it first gets released, and to get an even cheaper discounted early bird price offered to you on day one, make sure to click the link below in the description to this video. You'll get sent through to a website where you just put your email address in and you'll join a waiting list. And I'll email you on day one of that first module being released, and you'll get that special discounted price for being an early access member. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to release that course with a single module, and then as time goes on, I'll be adding more and more modules, talking about more and more ways of monetizing your YouTube channel. But if you're there from day one, those additional modules are always going to be accessible to you at a cheaper price. So if that sounds interesting, you can sign up to my YouTube course, the YouTube Money Making Academy, using the link below for free, and I'll email you on day one. And if you want to comment and leave me any feedback about what you definitely want included in that course, you can also drop a comment below, and I'll make sure to cover all of your questions and pain points when it's made. Great, so YouTube is a great way of making money online in 2019. YouTube ads and affiliate marketing are just the 2 most profitable income sources that I've built up through the platform, and there's a ton more out there catering to anyone. So if you're thinking about this and you're not ready, or you're not sure where to start, just get started with the channel. Just do it. You're going to learn as you go along. You're going to make mistakes for sure, but you'll learn along the way. You'll get more comfortable in front of the camera, and it's a great thing to experiment with. It's free. Just get going. I'm really rooting for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed for more passive income tips like building a YouTube channel to help you create a lifestyle that is funded through passive income. And as it's the end of the video and you're probably leaving soon, make sure to check out my Instagram at starting up and follow me there for daily updates too. So thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Speak to you soon. Bye.